Embracing fate. Understanding, meet one's destiny. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the fascinating realm of English phrases, focusing on the evocative expression, meet one's destiny. This phrase conjures images of adventure, fate, and the future, making it a rich topic for anyone looking to deepen their understanding of English. Let's unpack its meaning, usage, and the nuances that make it so compelling. Meet one's destiny refers to the moment when a person encounters or fulfills their fate. This phrase emphasizes the idea of fate as a predetermined path or a set of events that are meant to happen in one's life. Meeting one's destiny can imply a sense of completion, achievement, or the realization of one's purpose or goals. It's a phrase that resonates with the belief in a larger plan or a guiding force in life. While the exact origins of the phrase are hard to pinpoint, it's rooted in the concepts of fate and destiny that have been part of human culture and literature for centuries. In usage, meet one's destiny is often associated with significant life events, choices that lead to a predetermined path, or moments that seem fated to happen. It can be used both literally, such as in stories where characters face their destiny, and metaphorically, to discuss life's unpredictable journey. This phrase is a favorite in literature and movies, often used to heighten drama or to signal a character's pivotal moment of change. For instance, in epic tales, a hero might meet their destiny by facing a formidable enemy or undertaking a quest that fulfills a prophecy. In real life, it might be used to describe significant personal achievements or encounters that seem destined, like meeting a lifelong partner by chance. In everyday conversation, you might use this phrase to talk about personal aspirations or pivotal life moments. For example, I feel like I'm about to meet my destiny when I go for that job interview. She met her destiny the day she decided to travel the world alone. It's a powerful way to express a belief in the significance of certain events or decisions in shaping one's future. Understanding and using the phrase, meet one's destiny, enriches our language and conversations, adding a layer of depth to how we perceive our journeys through life. It's a beautiful reminder of the roles that fate, choice, and destiny play in our stories. We hope this exploration inspires you to reflect on your path and the moments that have shaped your destiny. Thank you for joining us, and may you find joy in every step of your language learning adventure.